Before you even think about buying AZON Empire, you need to watch this. Because this software claims you can build a fully automated Amazon-style online business using AI and automation. But the real question is this actually a smart opportunity? Or just another overhyped SaaS tool? In this honest AZON Empire review, I'll break down exactly what it is, how it works, what's inside, the real benefits, and how you can get my exclusive bonuses if you decide to try it. Let's get into it. If you've been searching for a way to build an online business, sell products, or create passive income streams using automation, this might be something you're curious about. This video will give you a clear, simple breakdown so you can decide if AZON Empire is right for you. What is AZON Empire? AZON Empire is a SaaS-based platform designed to help users build and manage online product businesses using automation and AI-powered tools. Instead of starting from scratch, it focuses on simplifying the process of finding products, setting up online stores, managing listings, driving traffic, and scaling operations, all from one dashboard. It's designed for beginners, entrepreneurs, and people who want to build an online income system without complex technical skills. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why AZON Empire is getting attention. Helps simplify the process of launching an online business, uses automation to save time, beginner-friendly interface, designed to reduce the learning curve, and works as a centralized platform for managing products. For many people, the biggest benefit is the idea of having a system that helps you move faster and smarter instead of figuring everything out alone. What's inside AZON Empire? Inside AZON Empire, you typically get access to tools and features designed to help you identify trending product opportunities, create product listings quickly, manage your online business from one place, automate repetitive tasks, and scale your store over time. The goal is to help you build a structured online setup without needing advanced experience. And if you're worried about risk, they also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try the platform and decide if it fits your goals. That removes a lot of pressure for beginners. Results and expectations. Now let's be real. This is a tool, not magic. Results depend on your consistency, learning the system, and taking action. But for people serious about building an online presence, platforms like this can help shorten the learning curve significantly. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real pros. Beginner-friendly SaaS platform, centralized dashboard, automation features, saves time on setup, and 30-day refund policy. Cons. Requires effort and learning, not an overnight success system, and works best if you stay consistent. If you decide to get AZON Empire through my link, I'm also including these free exclusive bonuses to help you grow faster. Bonus 1. Advanced SEO optimization tools. Access premium SEO tools and plugins that help you. Improve search rankings, increase organic traffic, optimize product pages, build long-term visibility, and perfect for scaling your online presence. Bonus 2. Premium Graphic Design Pack. You'll receive a collection of high-quality graphics, icons, and visual assets to make your online stores and pages look more professional and engaging. So, is AZON Empire worth it? If you're looking for a beginner-friendly SaaS platform that helps simplify building an online business and managing products, it's definitely worth considering. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, there's very little risk in trying it out. Plus, when you grab it through my link, you'll also get my exclusive bonuses to help you grow faster. Click the link in the description below, check out AZON Empire, secure your bonuses, and start building your online system today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.